So my name's James Pridgeon. We started steel window design in 2014. We manufacture high-end windows and doors for the Australian market, and we supply them to every state in Australia. What we pride ourselves on with what we do in our business is building the highest quality windows and doors, but also using the highest quality hardware to complement them. And we absolutely love what we do. We've built a company around the highest quality, and I think that's what makes us slightly different to our competitors. We build everything with Australian-made products where we can, and where we can't, we choose the highest quality product to allow us to keep building the highest quality windows and doors. Some of our hardware comes from the Netherlands or Australia or England. It doesn't matter where, but we get hardware from all over. But then our team in Australia here is using Australian steel. We're using Australian products where we can, and that allows us to control our product a little bit better. So when we started, it was me designing windows and doors in our living room, and it's grown from a living room, computer and email sort of work-life habit of now manufacturing with a team of 18 to 19 people at any one time. We deliver all our own products, we make all our own products, we do as much as we can in-house. And what sort of changed over the years is, starting quite small, we've been able to watch our product develop because we've controlled its development from the very early stages. So seeing little mistakes here and there or little things we can improve, we spend a lot of time focusing on that top 5% maybe, and it allows us to keep improving our product and stay in front of our competition, I believe. It's like we've worked very hard to just because obviously anyone can pick up a bit of T-bar and angle and make a steel door. So where our journey is slightly different is just the amount of effort we've put into making that better than what someone else can do, and having it look simple is where we challenge anybody to sort of get it to look the same, and that's what we like about it. Anyone should look at it and go, that's just a few elements put together and we have a very simple product. But what we like is what we see behind the scenes is the countless hours that go into straightening every piece of steel, checking every piece of steel, making it, TIG welding, MIG welding, then checking it all again, straightening every door, window, pre-fitting it all in the factory, then going through the whole process and then doing it again. So after sandblast, powder coat, all that sort of process, we are checking it all again, then packaging it potentially, sending it interstate, then installing it. And that's what has given us an edge over our competition, is we will measure, manufacture, install, glaze, and basically control the whole process where we can. Where we can't sometimes is interstate if builders choose to do their own product installation. So working in our company, it's allowed us to work with other good suppliers and companies who are pushing their products further and further. And so FritsJurgens, one of the companies we've worked very closely with over the years through Bellevue Hardware here in Australia. And that's allowed us to basically improve our doors, to have them function, work and look better, using this really high quality hardware, which is a sight to behold. It's beautiful stuff. I love seeing it when it comes out of the big box, and it's good. We love it. So it allows our doors to function, and our clients will like our product better with the better quality products that we're using. And so that certainly gives us an edge as well. So working with some of our suppliers, it allows us to do projects all over Australia, and one of the things it allows us to do too is work with residential projects, commercial projects, and having certain elements of hardware backing up our handmade product, like the FritsJurgens pivots. We can use large amounts of steel, we can design pretty much anything we want to build for our commercial clients or our residential clients, allowing us to sort of give them the product they want and have the functionality to back it up. At Steel Window Design, we love what we do, and we want to keep pushing our product further and further, and working with great suppliers, it allows us to do that. And I think in the future you'll see more from us, and working with good companies like FritsJurgens and Bellevue Hardware, we can certainly keep pushing our limitations and boundaries and continue to make a good product with our team.